Sintro sa may Ulaya. Ayan. 20 minutes lang from here. Nandun ka na sa city center of Riyadh, Uliya. Ayan, exit 14 ka. Diyan ka lang, oh, malapit lang. Ang mga 10 minutes lang. Sige, sige. Sige, kunin mo yung ano ko, Kuya John, Kabsat John. Hilot ni Larry. 2.3 follower ako. Pag sinerch mo, ako yung kauna-una ang lalabas. Hilot ni Larry. Yung Larry ko ay LHA. Ibaba ko na lang, wait lang. Ibaba ko na lang. Wait lang, Kabsat John. Ibaba ko siya. Ibaba ni Mang Lalakbay. Ayun. 2.3. Binaba ni Kabsat John. Binaba ni Mang Lalakbay channel. Ayan. Si Batgirl ay komedyante. Sige, okay na tayo. Mga panis video ang kanyang ina-upload si kaibigang Batgirl and Company. Yan. Ano lang siya yung ay Batgirl, my friend. Can you live sometimes? At least once a week, can you live once a week? Because I can see your video there is only video in short video. So if you want to monetize fast, you make it screencast. You know how to screencast? Ayan. Make it screencast. Ayan, okay na Kabsat John na nakuha mo na. Ayan, sige. Mag-comment ka lang doon, Kabsat John, baka nagre-reels ka rin, ma-follow, ma-support kita. What is that? Screencast live. Sorry. Or make it live. You need to, my friend Batgirl, you need to make it live because to reach your 4,000 watch hour. Ayan. Because I'm here in my second account, Kabsat TV, already bill all to you. And here I don't know my here in third account. Yeah, also my third account. Mang Lalakbay channel is bill all to you. So if you have live, there will be not notified to me. So until now you have no notified your live. So only this content might be infrared for some user. Diba? Ayun na. Live na ba to? Hindi naman eh. I've never been live, yeah. You can try it on watch hour, yes. You can live at least once a week. Yeah. And you can see there who your friends invited to be your supporting to you. Kasi hindi lang ako ang pinapaliparan nito nakikita ko eh. May mga pinapaliparan siya. Si ayan komedyante man niya. Oo. O screencast. Screencast live. So yan, okay na tayo guys. Thank you so much. I will end na. already